Do you love shopping online but struggle to talk about it in English?
Don't worry. In today's podcast, we'll teach you natural English phrases for online shopping.
From searching products to placing an order and asking for a refund, we've got you covered.
So, stay with us till the end because by the time we finish, you'll shop and speak English confidently online. Hey Sarah, what are you doing on your phone?
I'm shopping online. I'm looking for a new pair of shoes.
Oh, nice. Which website are you using?
I'm on Amazon right now, but I also like Flipkart and Myntra.
Cool. So, what kind of shoes are you looking for?
I want something casual but comfortable.
Try typing casual sneakers for women in the search bar.
Good idea. Okay, I see a few options here.
Do you check product reviews before buying?
Always. I never buy anything without checking reviews.
That's smart. The reviews really help to know the quality.
Exactly. This one has 4.5 stars and over 1,000 reviews.
That sounds like a good one. What's the price?
It's around 2,000 rupees, but there's a 20% discount today.
Nice. Online sales are the best time to shop.
I agree. I always wait for discounts or festive offers.
Do you usually compare prices before buying?
Yes, I check on 2 or 3 websites to find the best deal.
That's a smart way to save money.
Okay, I've added it to my cart.
Great. Now you can go to your cart and check out.
Right. So the next step is to choose the delivery address.
Exactly. Always double check your address before confirming.
Done. Now it's asking for the payment method.
Do you usually pay online or choose cash on delivery?
I usually pay online using my debit card. It's faster.
I prefer using UPI apps. They're convenient and secure.
True. Online payments have become so easy now.
Oh, look at that. Some websites also offer coupon codes.
Yes, I just applied one and got an extra 10% off.
That's amazing. Everyone loves saving a little extra.
Definitely. Okay, my order is placed now.
Great job. Did you get the order confirmation message?
Yes, I got an email and an SMS with the details.
Perfect. Always keep that email until your order arrives.
That's a good tip. So, how long does delivery usually take for you?
Usually 3 to 5 days, depending on the location.
Same here. I love tracking my order every day.
Yes, it's exciting to see out for delivery on the screen.
I know, right? It feels like waiting for a gift.
What do you do if the product doesn't match your expectations?
I usually request a return or replacement.
That's easy these days. Most websites have a return policy.
Exactly. You just click on return order and select the reason.
What reason do you usually choose?
Sometimes size issue or product not as described.
Makes sense. And the delivery person usually picks it up the next day.
Yes, the process is simple and convenient.
Do you ever chat with customer support?
Yes, sometimes when I have questions about delivery or refund,
How do you start the conversation?
I usually say, "Hi, I need help with my recent order."
That's polite and clear.
Then they usually ask for my order ID or phone number.
Exactly. Always keep your order details ready.
After that, they help solve the issue quickly.
That's one thing I love about online shopping. Easy support.
Me too. Oh, I just remembered to check my wish list.
What's in your wish list?
A new handbag and a smartwatch.
Sounds great. Do you wait for them to go on sale?
Always. I never buy at full price.
That's smart move. I do the same with electronics.
That's why I love online shopping. You can compare, choose, and save.
Totally. It's so convenient compared to going to stores.
True. You can shop anytime, even at midnight.
Yes, I once ordered headphones at 2 a.m.
Wow, that's the beauty of online shopping. No closing time.
Exactly. Do you also check return ratings before buying?
Yes, I check how often people return the product. It says a lot about quality.
That's a smart tip. I'll start doing that too.
Also, I always check sold by details to avoid fake sellers.
That's important. Buying from trusted sellers keeps you safe.
Yes, especially for expensive products.
Do you ever write reviews after receiving your order?
Sometimes, if I really like or dislike something, I write a short review.
That's helpful for other buyers.
Yes, I like reading honest reviews from real customers.
So, what's your favorite thing about shopping online?
I love how easy it is to browse thousands of products.
True, and the excitement when the package finally arrives.
Exactly. It feels like receiving a present from yourself.
That's true. So, do you think online shopping saves time?
Definitely. No crowds, no waiting, just click and order.
That's the best part. So, everyone listening, next time you shop online, try using these English phrases.
Yes, practice while shopping. Like, I'd like to order this. Is this available in size M? Or can I get a refund?
The more you use English in real life, the more fluent you become.
Exactly. Learn English, save money, and shop smartly.
So, go ahead, open your favorite shopping app, and start practicing English today.
See you in the next episode. Till then, happy shopping and happy learning.